Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and readiness. Check your Mac model identifier and firmware because macOS checks hardware signatures. Once done, backup now, Time Machine or a full clone so you can restore if something fails. Next, create a bootable USB installer with Create-Install Media in Terminal. This bypasses incomplete recovery partitions. Do not skip verifying the installer version and USB health, because a corrupted installer is the most common cause of the error. You now boot from that USB installer by holding Option and selecting it at startup. This avoids firmware or apps mismatch issues. Once in the installer, open Disk Utility and erase the target drive using apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS extended for older versions. This resolves partition table conflicts. Then run the installer, ensuring a stable internet connection for components and a plugged-in Mac to prevent interruptions. If prompts appear about firmware, accept and let the system complete updates before rebooting. You finish by letting the installer complete and then set up your Mac or restore data from the backup you made earlier. If the error persists, reset NVRAM and SMC because lingering firmware flags can block installation. After resetting, retry the bootable installer. If that still fails, recreate the installer using a different USB and freshly downloaded installer to rule out corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if a specific firmware update stalls, install incremental Mac OS versions sequentially before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.